Just a few months ago, the political future of Donald Trump seemed uncertain at best. His critics were vocal, his doubters were many. The odds seemed stacked against him. Could he reclaim the ground he had lost? Could he connect with voters again? The political pundits had their doubts. Analysts predicted a difficult path back to power. But something interesting happened. Trump, in his own way, understood the power of connection. He never lost sight of his base. He never stopped communicating with them. The 2024 election took many by surprise. Trump, defying expectations, won. It was a night filled with jubilation for his supporters who had been waiting for this moment with bated breath. The atmosphere was electric, filled with cheers and chants echoing through the venue. How did he do it? How did he manage to turn the tide in his favor when so many had written him off? Analysts and pundits were left scratching their heads, trying to decipher the elements that led to his unexpected victory. How did he navigate a crowded field and capture the attention of enough voters? His campaign strategy was relentless, marked by a series of high-energy rallies and a constant presence on social media. He knew how to keep the spotlight on himself. The answer, in part, lies in his understanding of personal branding. Trump has always been a larger-than-life figure, and he leveraged this to his advantage. His name, his image, and his slogans became synonymous with his campaign. Trump, for better or worse, is a master of branding. His Make America Great Again slogan became a rallying cry for millions. His merchandise, from hats to signs, was everywhere, creating a sense of unity and identity among his supporters. He has an innate ability to understand his audience and craft a message that resonates with them. He speaks their language, addressing their concerns and aspirations in a way that feels personal and direct. He speaks directly to their emotions, their fears, their aspirations. His speeches are filled with promises of a better future, tapping into the hopes and dreams of his audience. This emotional connection is a powerful tool in politics. His message is simple, clear, and easy to understand. In a world filled with complex issues and nuanced debates, Trump's straightforward approach cuts through the noise. It's this clarity that has helped him build a loyal and passionate base of supporters. Think about it. The name Trump evokes strong reactions, both positive and negative. That's the power of a brand. Love him or hate him, you know what he stands for. He has crafted a distinct persona that sets him apart from the crowd. This didn't happen by accident. It's the result of calculated decisions and consistent messaging over decades. Trump understands that a brand is more than just a logo or a slogan. It's a promise, it's an experience, it's a feeling. Section 4. Staying power relevance in a shifting landscape. One of the most important aspects of Trump's success is his ability to stay relevant. In a world where political figures often fade into obscurity, Trump has managed to keep himself in the spotlight. The political landscape is constantly changing, but Trump has adapted. He has shown a remarkable ability to pivot and adjust his strategies to fit the current climate. Whether it's through his speeches, rallies, or media appearances, he knows how to capture attention. He understands the power of social media. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have become his megaphone, allowing him to reach millions instantly. His tweets often set the news agenda for the day, demonstrating his influence. He knows how to use controversy to his advantage. By stirring the pot, he ensures that he remains a topic of discussion. Controversy keeps him in the headlines and fuels the media cycle, making it hard for anyone to ignore him. He's not afraid to speak his mind, even if it means alienating some people. This boldness resonates with his base, who see him as a fearless leader, willing to say what others won't. His unfiltered approach is a double-edged sword, but it keeps him relevant. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a key part of his strategy. By being unapologetically himself, he creates a strong, loyal following. His supporters appreciate his authenticity, even if it comes with a dose of controversy. By being polarizing, he stays at the forefront of the conversation. In today's media landscape, being talked about is half the battle. Trump has mastered the art of staying relevant by ensuring that he's always part of the dialogue, whether through praise or criticism. Section 5. Lessons from the campaign trail: branding for everyone. In today's world, branding isn't just for big corporations or political campaigns, it's for everyone. What can we learn from all of this? The principles of personal branding apply whether you're running for president or running a small business. It's about creating a unique identity that resonates with your audience. You need to define your brand. What do you stand for? What are your core values and mission? These are the questions you need to answer to build a strong foundation. What makes you different? You need to communicate your brand consistently across all channels. Whether it's through social media, your website, or in-person interactions, consistency is key, and you need to stay relevant by adapting to the changing world around you. The market is always evolving, and so should your brand. Keep an eye on trends, and be willing to pivot when necessary. It's not enough to be good at what you do. You need to be known for it. Building a strong personal brand takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. You'll not only stand out in your field, but also build trust and credibility with your audience. Section 6, your brand, your story, start building today. So, what's your story? What do you want people to say about you when you're not in the room? Start building your brand today. Define your message. Connect with your audience. Stay true to yourself. It's a journey, not a destination. But the rewards are worth it, because in a world of noise and distraction, a strong personal brand can be your most valuable asset. So, start building yours today.